Good day everyone, today we have 2012 SK25. It's a 15 kilowatt screw air compressor equipped with inverter. It's I think it's a Siemens Simatics inverter right there. This compressor is up to 8 bars. We know a lot about this machine. Nevertheless, this machine is manufactured in 2012, but the air end for this machine is changed in 2019. So since that service and general overhaul, the compressor is currently passing 89 hours of working and only 55 hours after under full load, and also has to approximately 3,000 hours still regular service. Today we have prepared a test for this machine on the 750 liter air receiver. We have opened the covers from the side so you can see this machine work. So I will start the compressor now. It's 8 bars currently in the system, and let's see how it builds pressure. The compressor is shutting down right now. It reached 8 bars. And now lowers down the RPM by inverter, so consumes less power. The machine is cooling down now, and it's shutting down. Don't miss this great item. Thank you for watching, and good luck on your bids.